Hey Robloxers, here is Pajo Roblox. I'm playing in a what I don't even know, but it's the first time I'm playing that game. So please subscribe for finishing that video. 3, 2, 1. I'm to escape rooms. I'm escaping rooms by room. So the rule here is to bring the blocks in the place for escaping. So now I'm with friends here. I'm with friends. Who is also? Oh. So we are going to try to escape passing the next room. So please leave a comment and leave a comment for helping me. Yes, we have returned all the blocks in the place for restarting a bit. I'm not sure this is going to be a piece of cake. So please help me by commenting. I'm going to win it. Okay. And don't forget to hit the notification button for having more information of my video. That's not a big that's a big to make. It's not so easy to do. But I think I know how to do. I have to do, but just my friends who are in my plan, they are messing up my plan. Don't forget to leave a like if you want to move from this room. Leave a likes. It looks like it's not going to be easy. Please leave for me like, please, and subscribe also. Don't forget it. And just you want one how can I one how can I say it again? There's many words in my head here. Yeah, I'm going to defeat you. Try to share that video with your thumb. And don't share the person. Try to share it in 10 of your friends. Your thumb only. Yeah, I can do that. We are going to. Yeah. I can feel that we are going to. And I just feel I subscribed. And if like I'm going to $10,000 this year. For example, and then 10,000 subscribers. Yeah. But, we're making it. We're making it. Yeah, I can feel it is almost done. I can feel it is almost done. Oh no. Why did we start? I was feeling that it can be finished. Let me give to you again another quest. Another exercise, yeah. This now is for calculating. If you want to win, you must resolve this. 100 multiplied by 2. How does mix? That's going to if you comment the answer. And I'm going to explain you why it's going to help me. I like math, so I feel that math helps me. So if you resolve this, I'm going to win it. feel that you have solved the quest. You've solved the quest. If you solve this, it's nice. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. And then I'm going to give $10 to the lucky subscribers if I have 1 million of subscribers. So it's not too easy. Yeah? It's not too easy, but I can say it. But I'm sure you are going to solve it. I'm going to solve it. If we solve it, you must like, subscribe, and share it to 10 friends again. But now this one you must share it in the finger without using another finger, and you must fold all your fingers and only the index out. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. Oh yes, thank you my subscribers. This is by grace of you that you won it. Yeah, so the video is going at the end. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.